Welcome to Pharma State News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World. Hello everyone, this is Samantha coming up with the top news from the pharma and healthcare. 1 out of every 5 adults had been infected by COVID-19 by mid-December, says ICMR survey. The third serological survey conducted by the ICMR shows that over 1/5 of the country's adult population had COVID-19 by mid-December. UK has started world-first trial alternate dosing of COVID vaccine trial. In this clinical trial, the patient will receive first and second doses of different vaccine to detect the impact of immunity against coronavirus. There are 4,000 variants of coronavirus that causes COVID-19. All vaccine manufacturers, like Pfizer-BioNTech, Moderna, Oxford-AstraZeneca and many others are focusing on the improvement of vaccine capabilities to ensure that we are ready for any virus variant. India's Serum Institute of India to supply 110 crore doses of coronavirus vaccines to UNICEF. Serum Institute of India will be supplying 110 crore coronavirus vaccines developed by AstraZeneca and Novavax to around 100 countries. Each dose will cost approximately $3 per dose for lower and lower middle income countries, said by UNICEF chief. Fujifilm tie-up with Indian healthcare institution. Fujifilm, which is a major medical technology and intelligent imaging firm in partnership with Dr. Kutty's Healthcare, launched Neura based on AI technology for facilitating a safe and more accurate screening process. India's 7-day average of daily COVID cases is now below 12,000. After 8 months, for the first time, India's 7-day average of daily COVID-19 cases falls below 12,000. Serum Institute of India delays COVID vaccine for private sale in Bangladesh. Bangladesh's Beximco Pharmaceuticals Limited said that the Serum Institute of India had delayed the first supplies of a COVID-19 vaccine for private sale, instead prioritizing government immunization campaigns. China's bat caves need exploring for finding coronavirus clues, says WHO team member. In China's Wuhan city, a team member of the WHO said work was needed to try to trace genetic elements of the virus in bat caves. Bayer's Xarelto gets approval in the UK. Xarelto is made to treat and prevent recurrence of venous thromboembolism in children from infancy to 18 years old, after 5 days of initial parental anticoagulation treatment. AstraZeneca and UCL to collaborate on 2 cancer projects. UCL's Division of Infection and Immunity Research team will collaborate with AstraZeneca on 2 immuno-oncology projects with an aim of contributing for the long-term contribution to cancer treatment.
To get regular updates, subscribe to Pharma State YouTube channel and follow the social media pages.